Welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about the how to handle iframes in Selenium WebDriver. Iframes are inline frames are commonly used in web development to embed in other HTML document within the main page like embedded videos, ads or interactive content. Knowing how to interact with iframes is essential when you are automatic test as regular element locator do not work on elements within an iframe without first switching context. In this tutorial, I will show you how to count the total number of iframes on a page and how to switch to a specific iframes to interact with its content. So let's get started. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the explicit word. So create a new Python file, right click on Python project menu and then click on Python file, enter the file name handle underscore iframe and then click on Python file. Now import the time and the import WebDriver for initializing the WebDriver. Copy this, paste here. After importing the WebDriver and Selenium, we need to initialize the WebDriver is equal to WebDriver.cron. Now navigate to the URL by using URL is equal to driver.get URL. Enter this variable name which is URL. Driver.get which is used for navigating to the URL. As you can view in this page, multiple iframes are available, iframe 1 and iframe 2. Suppose you want to verify the text in this iframe, which is Selenium automation practice form. For handling this, verifying this text, first thing you need to do here, you need to switch to this iframe 1, then you can look at this element and then verify this text. So navigate to this URL, copy this URL and enter URL here. Now get the iframe elements by using tag name driver dot find element. Here you can view two options. One is find element. If you want to find the single element, then you can select this find element. But in this scenario, we need to find the elements. Here we need to find the multiple iframes element. So here select the elements and then locate by tag name. Tag name is iframe. Iframe, let's add variable here. Iframe is equal to driver.find elements and then tag name. Now count the total number of iframes by using length function. Total is equal to length and iframe. This function basically used for count the total number of iframes. We can use the length function for count the total number of iframes and then print the total number of iframes in a console. F and then double quote total number of iframes is here. Enter this variable name which is total. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then find the elements of iframe by using tag name and then count the total number of iframes. After count the total number of iframes, it will print the total number of iframes in a console. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL and the total number of iframes is equal to 2. Here you can view only 2 iframes are available. One is iframe 1 and second is iframe 2. Now I will show you how you can switch to this iframe driver dot switch to dot frame. We can switch to this frame by using index. This is index 0 and this is index 1. So if you want to switch to the first frame, iframe, then enter the index value is 0. Let's add some wait here. After switch to the first iframe, 3 second wait, and then verify this text. If you want verify this text, so right click on this text, inspect. First we need to locate this element, click on selector hub, and then copy this text. Here we can locate this element by using relative XPath. iframe 1 is equal to driver dot find element by XPath and enter the XPath value here. In this scenario, we want to first get the text and then print the text in a console. So use here frame is equal to iframe 1 dot text, and then print this text in a console frame. Let's run this scenario. First, it will navigate to this URL, count the total number of iframes, and then print in a console. After printing the total number of iframes in a console, then it will switch to the first iframe by using index, and then get the text inside this iframe 1, which is Selenium automation practice form, and then print this text in a console. Let's run this. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL and print Selenium automation practice form. Then we can switch to the default content command, basically used to switch back to the main page or the top level document from any iframe or nested iframe. Same you can here switch to this outside this iframe. Now verify this text. Before verifying this text, first we need to switch to the default content. So switch to the default content by using driver dot switch to using default content, and then verify reprint this text, which is frames. Right click on this frames text, and then click on selector hub, copy the relative XPath, verify is equal to driver dot find element by XPath, enter the XPath value here, and then get the text is equal to verify dot text, and then print this text in a console text. Let's this script in this scenario. First it will switch to the first iframe by using index, and then get the text and then print in a console. After this, it will switch to the default content and then get the text. After getting the text, it will print the text in a console, which is frames. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL, switch to the first window by index, and then here you can view the total number of iframes too, and get the text Selenium automation practice form, and then switch to the default content, and then print the frames in a console. Let's go to the tutorial. Now you know how to work with iframes in Selenium by counting the iframes on a page and switching to them with easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SQ World for more Selenium tutorials and automation tips. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions or if there are any specific topic you would like to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.